Hey guys, so let me just explain what's going to be happening today. We're doing a really short hop in a Cirrus SR22 with my friend Josh, and we're dropping Isabella off. She came down to Indiana, and we're dropping her off at Indianapolis International Airport. Now we're not going to fly directly there because, the fees were outrageous for GA aircraft. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to fly to Eagle Creek Air Park, which is a 19-minute drive, and grab a crew car to drop her off at the airport. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, and yeah, it should be awesome. Let's go.
Yesterday though, the tires skid.
Pictures and video.
This is going on YouTube. Say hi.
Hello, YouTube. Is he parking?
Yeah, you can hop on the grass if you want. Right there.
I'm kind of scared, yeah, because the car can dip, and then you get stuck in a rut, and then you have to push it out.
Okay. Cool. We're at the airport now. If you've been watching the channel for a long time, you know that this is Josh. He's a good friend of mine, and he comes flying with me as a safety pilot. And he's gonna be flying us down to Eagle Creek to drop off Isabella. Say hi. Hi. And then this is my friend Ari. Yeah. That's what we're doing. Hello, you look tired.
Yeah. It feels nice and warm in here, though.
Yeah, that's just gonna make you sleep, though. It'll be nice and warm. So what did you do when Benjamin was in classes all week?
Oh, I was in classes, too.
Oh, okay. You just have him online, I guess.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Not the nicest option, but
No.
whatever.
Lafayette Tower, Cirrus 369 Sierra Foxtrot, hold short 10, southeast departure.
Number 369 Sierra Foxtrot, Lafayette Tower, runway 10 clear for takeoff, southeastbound departure approved.
Runway 10 clear for takeoff, southeast departure approved, 9 Sierra Foxtrot.
And rotate.
Positive rate.
Flaps up. Oh, go get that left hand turn.
I think we had a cold front roll in.
Yeah, that's why it was brought with the cold air.
Yeah.
Or cooler air.
Yeah,
to me, it's cold, so, well, I guess.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Yeah,
for
it's cold.
us.
to
Do you
guys,
see how I'm
too.
dressed today?
Yeah, true.
I woke up this morning and I was like, Ben,
Yeah.
turn up the heat to
No,
77, please.
And I cracked my window last night too, thinking, oh, it'd be a nice night. No, wake up this morning, it's like 40 degrees in the room. It's like, oh no.
No, and then you shower and it's just like you come into this cold
Yeah,
room.
you just
Ugh.
can't, yeah.
You can't leave the shower,
Yeah, you can't.
or else you'll die.
I think I was in there like for 15, 20 minutes this morning.
Ben,
or
you
something.
spent like 20 minutes longer than me in the shower.
I was there because I was like, once I get out, it's
Yeah.
over.
And we're leveling off here.
Does the Appalachian mountain range go into Tennessee?
Yep.
Okay. How does it feel to fly like near mountains?
Yeah, you do get a lot of turbulence from them, but on good days, it's pretty cool flying just like around them. Because you can fly like around in the valleys sort of area, like along the, there's a lot of rivers, the Hiawassee and the Ocoee River that flows through there.
Can you fly like in between them? Is that a thing?
Yeah, it's dangerous too if you come to a dead end, but if you know where you're going, you can do that.
Wow. So Josh, has like your family all been like aviators to some sense?
Wait, what?
Like, are you like from a family of aviators?
No, I'm the only one. My grandfather was. He owned his own flight school up in Massachusetts.
Oh wow.
And he was the one that got me into it. And but my dad, mom, or sister, no, they don't fly at all.
Okay.
I'm the only one that does. So.
When we went to the AACAs,
Yeah.
Jessica was like a family of like what, 13 pilots or something like that. Like
Yeah, the Clemens family is insane.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Austin's like 17, like flying to Stearman. You know?
Yeah, no, yeah, and he has like 1,000 hours or something crazy like that. Or
like
something.
he could.
It's
Yeah,
like,
he has commercial hours.
Yeah,
you know?
it's like what? That's great. Good for him. That's cool. No, I'm the only one. I fly everybody around when I'm home. I'll go pick up my sister and take her back home or stuff like that. So.
How long's the flight from here to home?
Just under 2 hours.
Oh wow.
So,
That's
yeah.
like not even a drive up to Orlando.
Yeah.
So why Purdue? I always like to ask this.
So why
question.
Purdue?
Yeah.
Well, okay, so I wanted to do a pro flight. I was looking at Embry-Riddle, Auburn, and Purdue.
So you would have met Ben either way.
Yes, pretty much, yeah. And then I decided, okay, I didn't get into the pro flight program at Purdue. Instead, I got into the aeronautical engineering technology one. And so I would come out with my A and P that way. And I'm still going to get all my ratings in that. At the time, I was working on my instrument and everything, so I was going to get that before I came to college and that. So I was like, okay, I'm getting all this. The pro flight program would have just slowed me down, I feel like. So instead, we don't even need them right now because we're not talking about
I'm about to switch that.
Yeah, I was like, so instead I was like, okay, if I didn't get into that, I'm going to get into A&T. Let's go for that. Let's get my A and P in that, so I know how to work on airplanes because I would love to learn that. I love, tinkering in my hands and doing stuff like that. So it's like it'd be perfect. I'm still going to get my ratings and everything. So I'm just going to take another path, and I'm going to need more hours to get my ATP than I will if I went the other route. But so I decided to go that route, and yeah, so far I love it. So I made the right choice, I feel like, in that. So
Glad to hear.
Yeah. And so up north I came, and now I'm up here. All the other ones are down south, which the weather's nice down there, but I can manage up here though. So.
Yeah, I think
It's only 4 years, so.
Yeah, exactly. That's how I like to see it.
Yeah, true.
And nice thick jackets. Very thick jackets.
So I think I see the lake. And if that's the lake, then airport should be just beyond it.
Yeah, somewhere beyond there. Yeah, that's the lake straight ahead, isn't it?
Yeah, what is that? Do you see that? You see that right there? Is that a drone? What is that?
No, it's just a balloon, I think. Yeah, it's a piece of, it looks like aluminum foil or something. That's so strange.
Did you see that, Isabella?
What?
No.
A UFO.
UFO, I had to dodge.
A UFO.
Wait, seriously?
No, it looked like a balloon, like a balloon that just went up, that was up here, floating around. That looked deflated.
I was actually thinking, like, how do farmers decide how much land they're going to use for their house? And
yeah, true.
How do they decide, okay, this is like the one piece of land that's like really not that good, so I'll put my house here and grow everything everywhere else.
Yeah, true.
Okay, I'm going to give it to you now. You have the flight control.
Flight control.
Came down for runway 3, Eagle Creek.
Alright, land lights, everything good.
Say flaps 100?
Yep.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah, 100 degrees.
500.
And Eagle Creek traffic, Cirrus down to Foxtrot is turn on final, runway 3, Eagle Creek. Is gust into 18, so I'll make it as smooth as possible. That's a small runway too. Bit of a shorty.
Eagle Creek traffic, Cirrus 369 Sierra Foxtrot, short final, runway 3, full stop, Eagle Creek.
Oh, it's a busy day today, man. If they have a crew car. Got 4 people in there. Wait, take off. Oh no, one of those guys landed. Show me the money. I would rate that solid 5. Okay, well, we're gonna definitely talk about Gustin, my goodness.
Eagle Creek traffic, Cirrus 369 Sierra Foxtrot's going to be left on Bravo 2, and then we're going to wait for the twin Comanche, and we'll be taxiing on Bravo 2, the FBO, behind the twin. Eagle Creek traffic.
5798, numbers departing runway 03, Eagle Creek.
Okay, Isabella, rate that landing.
Yeah, I'd say a 5. It was like really gusty though.
Bam,
so,
bam.
You know.
Yeah. If I stayed...
Minus the bounce, it would have been like a solid 8.
Oh yeah, if it was minus the bounce, it would be a solid 8. Yeah, no.
But man, that wind, oh my gosh.
What airline are you flying back on?
American.
American, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was the best non-stop flight we could find.
Yeah.
But it's no longer non-stop because you took a flight here. So
Okay.
it's technically a connection. Yeah.
At a different airport, which you don't make sense.
That's what I'm thinking about titling this video.
How did you get from Indy to Purdue in the first place?
With a car?
Oh, with a car, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
But it was IMC that day. Or low IFR.
That makes it fun, though.
Yeah. you could have done it, but
It was so foggy. In Atlanta, I remember, like, you couldn't even see. It was one of those days where when you land, you can't see the runway until you touch the runway.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, that's solid.
maybe they did like a Cat 3 auto land.
Yeah.
How's the flight, Isabella? So we just landed at Eagle Creek, and we didn't have to use caps, which is good.
What are caps?
Caps? That's the parachute.
Okay.
So we're here, and we're walking towards Eagle Creek. So we made a quick stop to eat. I decided we're gonna eat at this place, Rick's Boatyard Cafe. It's stunning here. So we're just gonna grab a quick bite before driving Isabella over to the airport. So let's go and eat.
Oh, looks good. Thank you.
Wow, that looks really good.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
So Isabella, you recommend Rick's?
Yeah.
Yeah. This place is good. That was a good meal.
10 recommend.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. But the views here are insane. So yeah, check it out. Well, the Uber's coming in a minute, so you gotta give him. So we dropped off Isabella. Oh wow. And we're back at the plane now, and so we're gonna pre-flight, get her started up, and head back to Lafayette now. So let's go do it.
How's that right? How's that right? Flaps up. You're up. Oh.
Hand just went down. 3,200 feet a minute?
3,200 feet a minute.
Yeah, that's what we were doing.
Yeah, that's crazy. controls. Good job. Thank you.
East northeast, we're just going to be 4,300.
Boost flaps, good.
Heading northwest now.
Take a proud.
6 Yankee, extend your downwind just an extra half a mile for one departure prior to your arrival.
6956 Yankee, half mile extension, thank you.
There.
Oh yeah, much better.
Yeah.
That was
There's
really
no
well done.
gust in here or anything.
That was some textbook learning right there.
Fuel pump off, throttle idle, ignition switch.
Oh yeah. You know, like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And as always, have fun. Peace. Oh yeah, hey guys. Yeah, thanks for watching. Give him a piece. Yeah. Peace.